So we're over here in the spinach area. So for the carrots, when we thin them, we remove the carrots because you can't really transplant and put a carrot back into the garden. But with the spinach, remember I had mentioned to you, when we plant them, we overplant the spinach to make sure we get good germination. But we also want to have space between the plants. So if we look right here, we have 1, 2, 3. This plant in the middle right here is crowding the other two. But if we look over to this area here, there seems to be, we didn't get germination. So I'm going to transplant this spinach from here over to this other new area. So I'm going to dig a little thing with my finger very delicately, the new hole. I'm going to go with a spade underneath the plant like this. I'm going to drop the plant delicately into the new area and then pat it in gently. Look at that. So I'm able to reuse additional spinach plants, and I'm going to do this with the remainder of the bed so that I can have equally spread out spinach. And as you can see, starting to grow with our first set of leaves.